He said, well, we put the old body back on it. I said, why? He said, well, we put the new body on it, and the bike's been slow ever since, and we're out of ideas. And they were pretty happy with the response in the first session. Sometimes it's a mental thing. Sometimes it's physical. Sometimes it's a little bit of both. Chris Bostic has already shown us what is out there. His 681 is a career best run. Steve Johnson sits in the number 7 spot right now with his 682 with a 5. Big St. Charles button transportation machine. 105 to 60 feet, and then it sounded like it might have spun a little bit. 680 with a 4, 197. Improvements. A smile on Jock's face is good to see. Another 105 to 60 feet. Steve Johnson goes to 4, and we go to Brian Loans on the top end.